Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for being here together with me today. And today we are in my car just out of convenience because it's raining outside. And my task of the day is to speak about this perfume. So it's Middle Eastern perfume. Oud 24 Hours is the name. It's a dupe for Black Orchid, by Tom Ford. And it's a very well-known perfume. And basically this one is by Ard Al Zaafaran, and it's Middle Eastern brand. Same like Latafa, so this one is as well. These two brands are very well known, guys, and probably for the quality and for the affordability. If let's say my experience with Ard Al Zaafaran was positive as well, but I noticed that Ard Al Zaafaran perhaps has slightly more fresher perfume, and Latafa is slightly more on the spicier side, but not always, because there can be some differences. So for an example, right now, as you can see, we have this perfume. I already opened it. This was my scent of the day, and for the first time, basically, I wore this perfume in public, and I was not, guys, disappointed at all. Not at all, guys. Because this perfume, but first of all, I want to tell you that yesterday I was wearing Ragba. It's a ambery perfume, and actually it gave me compliment. So from Middle Eastern perfume, two perfumes gave me compliments, which would be Ragba and Oud Mood by Latafa. So Latafa perfumes is winning. They both gave me compliment. This is Ard Al Zaafaran right there, and to be honest, I think it's so close to give me compliments, because it's so a little bit unusual. That type of blend of these notes is very unusual and can be quite pleasing. I actually was feeling that the people around me perhaps felt pleased as well, but they just couldn't figure it out, what it is, what I'm wearing, and myself, I was complimenting today a few times just by this type of, uniqueness that this perfume has. So the price was, I always forget those prices, but something around £20, £24 probably was the price of this perfume. And so the notes there would be there is oud, incense, there is vanilla, patchouli, little bit of gardenia, there is ylang ylang, little bit of orange as well, sandalwood as well. To me, it was basically, it was a mixture of ambery type of perfume with little bit of oud, and plus mixed with those type of extra top up of floral notes, which was ylang ylang and a little bit of jasmine. So when you mix all of these things, it seems like this perfume is like in between of sweet, in between of fresh, in between of floral, in between of oud, in between of heavy. This perfume is just kind of in between of everything, and that makes it so kind of perfect and versatile and not too heavy. If you are a beginner person that would like to try this perfume, guys, you probably might have a success in trying out this particular perfume. When I bought this perfume, I was afraid that maybe it can be masculine because of the way it looks, the bottle, but I would like to reassure you that the ladies can wear it too, and it just simply stands in between, of masculine and feminine. So it's kind of right in the middle and not too heavy. It's just there is little bit of everything to make it, very, very pleasant. This perfume lasted for me actually until now, so which is already 5 hours past, but I do feel like that I might need to top it up right now. Perhaps 4 or 5 hours this perfume lasts. If you spray it on the clothes, it will last longer as usual, but right now it's time, guys, for me to top it up. I was very pleased with this perfume. This perfume has oud, guys, but this type of oud is not difficult, not difficult oud. It's very easy going, guys. So basically there is so much everything there going on, like a lot of, you know, type of florals that are you know, fresh, like white florals like jasmine, you know. And these florals makes that oud that is there not heavy at all. It just makes guys so pleasant. And also, you know, if you're a woman, it can make you feel feminine. If you are a man, it can make you feel interesting, you know, this perfume. And what else I could say, guys? This is the first day that I'm wearing it, you know, you know, when I'm surrounded with people. So this is basically the first time, you know, I'm wearing it, and I'm really enjoying it, I never tried Tom Ford, you know, but what I heard is that a very good dupe, but sometimes people say that it's kind of watered down version. So, but also people say that they don't actually mind to spray it more because of this price, and I would probably think the same. Probably Tom Ford, I also heard that it has certain type of depth, more strength and more depth, you know, so this one can be like a slightly lighter version of that one. It also says that it's kind of ambery perfume. I do feel amber. But for me, when, you know, ambery perfume is definitely would be ragba. This perfume doesn't have as much amber as ragba. It has more floral notes, more freshness there. Maybe ylang ylang, and plus it has chocolate, guys, and you can feel chocolate. So imagine chocolate mixed with ylang ylang and like whatever there else. It makes it very, very nice, guys. It's like neither not too sweet, neither like not too heavy, not too fresh. It's just, this perfume is so in the middle that, you know, it can really make you feel happy. This particular perfume. It says Eau de Parfum. The quality of the bottle, you know, everything, guys. Everything is just right there. Like, what else you could say? I think I would like to get in the future more perfumes from Ard Al Zaafaran and Latafa. Let's see how it goes. Like, I would like to get this opulent, the white bottle from Latafa, opulent oud, isn't it? Opulent oud I would like to get. And there is that Badi Al Oud as well. You know, there are so many others that would be so nice to experience. But so far, this one is what is out of the popular perfumes that you kind of need to have if you have some kind of you know, if you like Middle Eastern perfume, so you should try this one. So if you are a beginner for Middle Eastern perfume, so you should try, like, let's say, Oud Mood. You should try Ragba. You should try Ana Biath Rouge. You should try, like, what else is there? Some safe. Those opulent oud, let's say, is it opulent oud? No, not opulent oud. It's opulent musk is the name, isn't it, of that white bottle? Opulent musk is as well supposed to be super nice, which I would like to get that white bottle, guys. And this one would be from Ard Al Zaafaran, and is super, super nice as well, you know. So you should actually try to get this one from this brand. It's very beautiful perfume. So far, like, as I said before, I'm experiencing it very nice, and I will come back to you soon. Bye bye, guys. Hi there.